Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel Anto Agara. This time I will reset the password for my MacBook Pro, which I forgot. Restart your computer. Press and hold for a moment the Command key and the R key on the keyboard. Release the button when the Apple logo appears. Select Utilities. Then select Terminal. You are now on the Terminal page. Type the Reset Password command. Press Enter. Then a page will appear for the password reset form. You can enter your password directly into the form. Then select Next. Then select Exit. Automatically, your computer will restart. Enter the new password that you updated earlier. If this video is useful for you, please click the like button and leave your comments, then subscribe to this great channel. Thank you for watching. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.